Sister said that she's trying to prove from the Bible Jesus is God by quoting Gospel of John chapter 1 verse number 1. Anyway, this no way fulfills my challenge. My challenge was point out a single unequivocal statement in the complete Bible where Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, himself says that I am God, or where he says worship me. This is not the words of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, at all. This is the word of a Jew by the name of Philo. I said it should be Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, who himself says that I am God, or where he says worship me. This verse is not of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, point number 1. Neither does it say that Jesus is God, neither does it say that Jesus, peace be upon him, you have to worship him. Anyhow, I'll reply to your question. You said that in Gospel of John chapter 1 verse number 1 it says that in the beginning was the Word was with God, and the Word was God. If Word was God, wherever there is Word, you change it to God. So in the beginning was the Word becomes in the beginning was God. The Word was God becomes in the beginning was the Word was with God. In the beginning was God, and God was with God. Do you mean there were two gods?